Right now it's like right at like 7 inches, 7.5 inches. So, I mean, that's average. Gnarly little hinge. We'll just clear it out from that other side. Just didn't get enough of that little platform. You can see this flake just actually rides right up underneath it. Not the end of the world. So clear that little hinge out, pop that one down, which will raise my edge up, and then I'll come at it this way. Thick as I like them for a knife, so I can still have plenty of room with it. I think I'll probably make that the handle down there, make that more the tip. Just a little bit. There good right there. I'll pressure flake this little bulb out here. Finally, the wind. It's been like hot as anything today, but in the afternoons, a little bit of breeze. It's like having the air conditioning turned on, but just blowing warm air. I'll take it. This is where we're sitting at. Knife so far. Do some pressure flaking. I think I'm gonna have kind of more of a tapered lower end here and a little bit bigger blade up at the top. That will be the handle. Right now it's like right at like 7 inches, 7.5 inches. So, I mean, that's average. It's the blade. I'm gonna put a wrap right around the base to finish it off. Clean this up just a bit. Probably give it a little bit more shape once I get the handle on. See if I got enough for 2 wraps. Yeah, I think we should have just enough, maybe, hopefully. I'm kind of feeling that. Let's put a little bit of good stuff on there. This is wax and like a fat mix. You know, this handle is a plant fiber. Just really want to make sure that it doesn't rot out. Let's do a little ochre on the handle, give it a little color. Just gonna sprinkle a little bit on. That will work. That fat and wax. There you go, one Southwest style little bush blade. Because I am in my place in New Mexico, and you know, I think this knife might serve me well the next couple days. More importantly, pulled off a lot of nice flakes in the very beginning. But I think I'm kind of digging this style of handle. I usually just do like a single wrap. For this one, I doubled it up, give myself a little bit more hoik on it, but not a bad little blade. I'll let it sit out in the sun and let all that kind of fat and wax really soak into all these fibers, giving it a little bit more life. And I need to fix that right there. All right, that works. I don't even know what time it is, but I don't think it took longer than maybe an hour and some change. But piece of Georgetown, some reverse wrapped yucca cordage, sealed up with some fat and wax, and then stained up a little bit with some ochre. And probably in the next couple days, once everything kind of sits and settles in there, it'll be looking mighty fine. There you go. One knife, start to finish. Appreciate you watching.